Уважаемые, Dama и Господа, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, I would like to open this press conference. My name is Dieter Brumberg. I'm a professor of the Technische Universität of Berlin and the director of the Center of Nanophotonics. The order of the afternoon is the following. We will start with some introduction by the president of Technische University, some welcome. Then Skolkovo will be introduced to you because most of you will be not very familiar with the detail of Skolkovo Foundation, which is hopefully going to have a major impact on the innovation in the Russian Federation. And in order to do so, the two vice presidents of the Skolkovo Foundation, Dmitry Kolosov and Alexei Belyukov, who are sitting on the right-hand side of me, will give some explanations to you. Then we have some alter ego of Adlershof or of Berlin-Buch. And the alter ego is the Technopark Park Skolkovo, Sergei Kurilov, who is sitting on the left-hand side, will give some explanations. And before doing so, we do have the official meeting of the Scientific Advisory Committee of the Skolkovo Foundation for the first time outside of the Russian Federation, here in Berlin for the first time. And the two co-chairmen, Professor Kornberg from University of Stanford and Professor Alferov from St. Petersburg, will give you some explanations and an introduction to the work of the Scientific Advisory Council. Yeah? Finally, we are coming to something which is very, very important, the highlight, signing of contracts of cooperation between Technische University and Skolkovo Foundation, and between Technopark Skolkovo, Vista Adlershof and Buch. And then we are open to questions. Thank you very much, and I turn over now to President Steinbach.
Yes, welcome again to our guests and welcome to you from the press. We are very much honored to have this event taking place here at the premises of the TU Berlin. It is a highlight of the scientific year, of the German-Russian scientific year, which will come to an end in April this year, and I would like to make use of this opportunity also to invite you again to join us here at the TU Berlin, as Professor Alferov is going to be our guest again, end of April, guest on behalf of the Leopoldina and the TU Berlin, and Frau Schawan will be present as one of the closing events of the scientific year. Russia and Germany have a long-lasting scientific cooperation. Our house has a long-lasting cooperation, not only in terms of research, which is, for instance, represented by my colleague Dieter Brumberg, who I'm grateful to that he actually convinced the colleagues to come here to our place, but also in terms of education. So we do have joint degrees with Tomsk University, with St. Petersburg University, with Bauman University in Moscow, and I'm almost leaving for the airport at the moment because I will visit one of our partner universities in St. Petersburg in the coming days. So it is a long-lasting friendship. It is something which has endured all turbulences, political-wise, and which gives proof that science is standing above all these issues. And we are looking forward to, let's say, a new highlight, and that is the possibility that the TU Berlin may join the activities of the Skolkovo Foundation in setting up a light tower of science in the vicinity of Moscow. This has introductory words, and we should not lose much more time, but we should learn more about the Skolkovo project.